Spokesperson of the National People Youth Front, Npyf, Bajop Pingrob, today congratulated Idashisha Nongrang for being appointed as the first woman DGP of the state. The Npyf expressed their appreciation to the Home Minister Preston Tinsong and the entire cabinet and the government for listening to the sentiment of the people of the state. We have been wanted that our state will get a DGP who is local, and with her nominated as the DGP, they hope that the cordial relationship between the police and the people of the state will increase day by day.
And congratulate Madam Nongrang for being appointed as the first woman DGP of the state of Meghalaya. And we would like to express our appreciation to our Honorable Home Minister, Shri Preston Tinsong, and the entire cabinet and the government as a whole for listening to the sentiments of the people.